Hi guys, I'm Janellis. Welcome to my vegan cooking YouTube channel. Today we'll be making unsweetened almond milk. It's inexpensive and I also find that it's tastier than what you buy in the stores. It's also pretty easy to make. I post every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so if you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get started. All you need for unsweetened almond milk is a pinch of sea salt, a cup of almonds soaked in water overnight, a blender, any blender will do, a bowl to pour in your blended almonds into. You need a sieve to separate the almond milk from the almond meal, and finally a jar to keep your almond milk in. Before you start cooking, always remember to wash your hands, especially when making almond milk, because you're going to be touching everything. Now that your hands are clean, you can rinse out the almonds. Now we pour our ingredients into the blender: the soaked and rinsed almonds, a pinch of salt. I like to pour it into my hand first, then grab a pinch from there, and about 5 cups of water. Since I already know my blender, I know 5 cups is about to there. Now, the fun part, we blend. Today, I'll be using my Ninja blender. It's got all of these really cool options. To make almond milk, I like to extract first, and it'll do that for about a minute or a minute and a half. Then, I blend on high twice. That way, I'm making sure I'm extracting as much almond milk as possible. If you do not have a Ninja blender or your blender doesn't have these options, you can blend on medium once, then blend on high twice, and you should have a similar result. And now we strain the milk through the sieve. Yeah, all of it out. Now we squeeze. Careful with the top of the bag, because some of the water might come out through there. Now that we've made almond milk, I rinsed my blender so that I could put my almond milk back in here so that it will be easier for me to pour my almond milk into one of my milk jars. I usually use this one. It's available in Target and Amazon. I'll include a link down below. Congratulations, we've made delicious unsweetened almond milk. If you notice, I've labeled mine. When I have different types of milks in my fridge, I like to label them with this glass safe marker. I will link it in the description below. In the comments, let me know how this goes for you and what else you would like to see me cook in the future. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.